Hey guys, Adam here from Lawn Hub and welcome back. Today we're at a new location, we're at my old man's place. I'm going to crank the Rover out today because I don't often get the opportunity to mow a larger area than my 25 square metres of green. So Dad's got 176 square metres of kikuyu. I'll give you a little look around. Look, it probably doesn't need a mow. In fact, Dad only probably mowed it a couple of days ago just looking at it. He mows the lawn with a rotary. Obviously, the cylinder is a much different machine. But yeah, we're just going to give it a mow today and talk about some exciting things that are happening here in between Christmas and New Year's. Cheers. Just before I show you out on the lawn area, I'm just going to change the height of cut here because it's currently set at 4.5 mil, and that's not going to, yeah, that's not what we want here today. I've just quickly gone out with a little ruler and just had a look at some areas, and it's showing about 30 mil. So I'm going to change this to 25 mil. First of all, you just got to, on the Scott Bonners and the Rovers here, there's a nut here you just want to loosen. I've got a 14 mil. And then yeah, I've just got a height of cut bar here, which I've preset to 25 mil. Not sure if you can see that or not. Tighten it up at the back there. Lean it back. And then the idea is that one part of the bar is going to touch the rear roller, and then one part of the bar is going to touch the front roller. So just like that. And we've got a lot of adjusting to do. Right. It's getting there. There we go, so I'm happy with that. That's at 25 mil now. So we just place it back down and we just tighten that bolt back up that we undid. So in turn, that's going to show a 25 mil cut now, hopefully. So yeah, I'll just finish tightening that up and yeah, that'll give you a nice little look around the yard. Alrighty guys, the mower's set. Yeah, let's just get going. See if we can get it started first go. Of course, no drama. Alrighty guys, that has come up a treat. I'm not saying everybody needs a cylinder mower, but you need a cylinder mower. Let's go and have a look around, eh? Alrighty guys, that has come up an absolute treat. You can kind of see the stripes, but that wasn't the main reason for this mow. It was just to get the cylinder mower out in a bigger area. But yeah, it's come up really good. I just quickly want to talk about this area here with the red line. We're going to put a putting green in here. It's going to have its own separate section of irrigation, which I'll talk about later. But yeah, Dad's wanted a putting green for a while now. So I've decided, you know what, let's do it. We're going to use a warm season variety, just something different. Haven't decided exactly which cultivar yet, but I'm going to show that whole journey from start to finish. And also got a bit of nostalgic here for my mates that have known me for a long time. This is how the JCG's going, boys. Endless hours of backyard cricket here. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. I hope you've enjoyed the change of scenery. We're going to be doing a lot of filming over the next few weeks and months. Really excited about the green project. Really excited about installing the irrigation design that I designed with the help from the guys at WaterPro. I don't claim to be an expert in that field whatsoever, so we're going to film the entire process from start to finish. Any mistakes I may make, they'll be there for everyone to see. But really excited. The mower that we're going to be using on the green, I heard a little rumor that if you get in the comment section below, Clint will loan out the Toro Greensmaster. Hey, it's worth a shot. Otherwise, yeah, we'll just use the Rover, which is back there, or another mower that I've potentially got lined up. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.